So guys, this is an update of my egg pie. This is it guys. It's finished, it's cooked. Wow. So the brownish color that you can see is the whipped. Yeah, that's it. That's the right term. The whipped white eggs. Whipped till soft peaks. That is the thing that's giving this egg pie the brown top. So without that whipped white eggs or the meringue, there's no brown color in the egg pie. This is Filipino egg pie. The ingredients are 12 small eggs, 2 cans of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk. I used the reduced fat. I didn't add any sugar in this one. Pinch of salt, the juice of 1 small lemon, and a tiny tad bit of vanilla extract. And then you just mix them together. Oh, by the way, with the 12 eggs, you need to separate the 2 eggs to egg yolk and egg white. So altogether, you're gonna put 10 whole eggs and 2 egg yolk on one mixture together with the condensed milk, 2 condensed milk and 1 evaporated milk. And the 2 egg whites, you need to whip them till soft peaks to form the meringue as the top of your egg pie. That's it. And I just finished cleaning my room, our room. Why does it have to be so dusty during summertime? Making my nose itch. Okay guys, that's the that's the update for my egg pie, and I'm gonna take a shower now and take a rest. It's been a long day. I've been awake for almost 18 hours guys. So see you later. This is the SingingShie in the UK. Look at me, I am knackered guys. I'm dead. I'm gonna take a shower and sleep. Goodbye guys. See you tomorrow.